Hi everybody, I just wanted to give you an update on what was the end result of my mattress recycling program and let you know if I actually made any money off of it. So basically, I didn't really make any money off of the metal part of the mattress, the spring part of it. I don't remember what it's called exactly, but you know what I mean. As for the foam, the furniture foam that was inside, I actually did wind up making some money off of that. In total, I think I made about 45 bucks, which isn't as much as I hoped or thought I would get for it, but I mean, it's still something. It's $45 more than what I had. So I do think that it's a good thing to do, to make a little extra money on the side and also, help out the environment. So my recommendation, if you're wanting to make a little extra money and help the environment, you can go ahead and try what I did with the mattress and make yourself a little money. So that's pretty much it. That was my update, and I hope you guys can tune in to my next video.